Hi, I'm Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2020 310 SLX. It's a phenomenal boat. As you can see on the outside, it's got the Sea Ray blue, gorgeous with the two-tone with the white, and it's also powered by the Mercury Verado 300s, the brand new engines that last year. Lighter, more efficient, phenomenal engines, plenty of power. Let's get on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310 SLX. Let's start at the back of the boat. Plenty of room back here. You can put 4 adults lounging back here very, very comfortably. The storage underneath it is fantastic. Plenty of space. Everything your fenders, your lines, your toys. Plenty of room underneath. And then we got the ladder that actually deploys down from the stern of the boat, and very easy to get on and off the boat when you're swimming. So great back of the boat. As we move forward into the cockpit area, L-shaped seating, very spacious. Real teak table, very nice. So we got a prep station right here, preparing drinks and lunch and everything else. You got a sink, storage underneath, opposing seating as well. So you got plenty of seating, and this will also spin around and make a 360-degree seating. So a lot of adults very, very comfortably in here. We do have the shore shade on the hardtop, which completely covers the sun pad on the back if you do not want the sun. So really nice feature on it. And the hardtop, we've got a moon roof that completely opens up. So if it's a nice sunny day and you do want the sun, you can open it up. It's great for getting the daylight in and also seeing the stars at night. As we move over to the port side, very comfortable two-seater for two adults comfortably. And then we've got the head, very spacious head, vacuum flush, sea deck on the inside as well, very comfy on the feet. Got a window, sink, and everything down there, so very nice head area. And then a really large captain seat as well. So another double seat, 2 adults can fit here comfortably. You've got the twin Simrad touchscreens, which is absolutely beautiful. Design nice and clean panel. And then you've got the digital throttle and shift, and you've got the joystick. The joystick has sideways docking. It also gives you skyhook, which locks you in if you're waiting for a slip assignment or a bridge or even pointing it at the sunset. It's fantastic, holds you in place. And it also gives you the auto heading, which is like an autopilot. So what a great feature with the joystick. As we move forward, we've got the power panel right here. And then a nice large bow area, 2 very large lounge seats with the armrests on it as well, so you can put a half a dozen adults out here comfortably as well. Very, very beautiful setup for entertaining. The boat does everything well, runs great, plenty of power on the back of it. So if you've got any questions or would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.